When a 3D model is selected, its corresponding toolbar will appear. Note that different features may be available for different 3D models. If scaling is enabled for a specific 3D model, you will also be able to decrease and increase its size. To reset to a 1.0 scale, tap on the scale ratio. Tap on the 3D view button in the toolbar to see the 3D model without its background. You can clearly see the dimensions and view it from different angles. This 3D model has a URL link associated with it, and you can tap on it from the 3D view or back in the live view. Here, it links out to augment.com. You can duplicate a 3D model, which will maintain all the features of the original, including material and scale. You can also change a 3D model to another. As you can see, this 3D Models toolbar is slightly different. It does not have a link, but it does have a Materials button. Tap on it to see what the 3D model would look like in different materials. While you can select 3D models by tapping on them directly, when there are multiple on a scene, it may be easier to select the desired 3D model by tapping on its respective bubble on the left.